Now here I have one whole chicken breast. I will cut it in cubes of 1 inch. This is how my chicken looks. Now we will start marinating it. For the marination, we need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half a tablespoon of mustard paste, 1 tablespoon of hot chili sauce. You can either take it ready-made or you can make it yourself. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. I am done with my wet ingredients. Now for my dry ingredients, I need half a teaspoon of salt. You could balance it later. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. One-fourth teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. My tablespoons are heaped, you can see. They are heaped. And 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And 1 heaped tablespoon of corn flour. Here it goes. The corn flour gives it some crunch. Add 1 egg. Now we will mix this batter and marinate it for about half an hour. This is how it looks after being mixed. We will put it for 30 minutes to marinate. My chicken has now been marinated for about 30 minutes. Now I will fry it. You can see they are frying. You will fry them for about 4 minutes until all of them are golden brown. Not completely golden brown. You can see them. Now they have turned golden brown.